Snowstorm, Texas style. Holy Toledo. Oh, our cars are getting beat to death. Oh.
My car, look at all the little dimples in the front of it already.
Those are, oh no.
Hey, at least y'all's is white and you can't see them as good as black.
Oh yeah, right, thanks. That makes me feel a lot better on our brand new car. Oh no.
My poor car.
Stop already, okay? Look at it. The ground is covered. Look at this. Ah! Stop! Please stop. Lord, please make this stop. Oh, right in the top of the head. Crap. That hurt. That hurt. God, I hope my car... Oh, stop already. How long is it going to do this? Oh. I am. I'm videoing it. It is getting worse instead of better. Jeez. Those are huge. Oh, this is crazy. I cannot believe this. Oh, and by the way, I guess I need to say for insurance purposes, it is what time at what day? It's Friday, March 28th, and the time is what? What time is it?
2:36.
It matters.
2:36.
2:36 p.m. on March 28th. We are, I'm afraid we're going to have damage. That's why I'm videoing it. I want my insurance agent to see what we are seeing. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is the most amazing. They're huge. They're golf ball sized. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm just praying it doesn't bust our window out. We got to drive home in a couple hours. Oh, did you hear that hit her car? That sounded like a bomb going off when that one hit.
Look at my poor hood.
Oh, God. It has beat our cars to
Yeah,
death,
it's like
Christian.
freaking hitting it.
Can you hear how hard it's hitting?
We don't beat that one.
Oh. Look at the size of that. That's a golf ball size. Oh, my God. Grab it and go put it in the freezer.
No.
Here's a big one that just hit.
Dang it.
There, put it in the freezer now.
No.
Oh, crap. Here. Go put it in.